guys, again, this is your coach online Rocketera, aka Mami Seska. So as of the moment, time check is already 2:42 in the morning, turning 3 ng umaga. So right now, medyo inantok tayo kaya gusto kong magtimpla ng coffee. And one product na gusto kong i-promote sa inyo is si Herba Coffee of the One. Let me go ahead and show to you how the products looks like. So guys, this is the coffee of the One, which is the Herba Coffee. It is 15-in-1 with collagen na. Kapag nag-order kayo nito, this costs 349 pesos only, diba? It's super affordable. So that's a D1. Tapos one snack, yan. Actually, in-open ko na yung box niya. Ang laman ng box niya is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's 10 pieces yung laman ng box niya. Tapos ganito siyang kalaki. So, yan. Bakit ko nagustuhan to? The reason why, because first, it has 15 essential ingredients. At the same time, yung ingredients na yon, it is nutrients overall na. So, for health and vitality ng katawan natin. Gandahan pa dito, yung pinakagusto ko, it has collagen at the same time. Meaning to say, sinusupport ito yung healthy skin, hair, and nails natin. Tapos, ito pa, nung pumunta ako ng office sa D1, pinatikim na nila sa akin yung coffee on how it tastes, ganyan yung taste niya. And nagustuhan ko talaga yung taste niya kasi napakasarap. Sobrang satisfying yung coffee taste niya while enhancing my wellness at the same time. So, it is very convenient and effective. It is really perfect for busy lifestyle katulad ko. Working at home, sa gabi ako gising. Has added benefits in every cup talaga. It is 15-in-1 coffee with collagen. Ito yung kauna-unahang kape na alam ko na merong collagen. Ang kagandahan dito, nagkape ka lang, nag-glow pa yung skin mo. So sa lahat ng coffee lovers out there, at the same time, gustong mag-glow yung skin and all, try nyo na din to. Kasi sobrang ganda ng benefits, lalo na sa katawan natin. At ito honest review guys, pagkabuhos ko nung hot water dito sa cup ko, naamoy ko yung parang aroma niya. Mabango siya guys. Tapos ito, titikman natin siya. Siyempre mainit pa. Kailangan natin yung kutsarita. Yummy! Sa mga ano dyan, sa mga Repa Pips ko dyan, mga kapwa VA ko dyan, call center agent, yung mga nocturnal people dyan, kung gusto mo ng kape na merong collagen, nag-coffee ka lang, nag-glow ka pa, diba? So to all coffee lovers out there, itong mag-glow, try nyo na din to. Sobrang ganda ng benefits sa katawan. Tapos yung pinaka gusto ko talaga is you can have glowingly beautiful nails. So ayun guys, kung gusto nyo mag-order, you can send me a message. It's just 349 pesos only. Samahan nyo mag-work. Bye!